Are you ready to supercharge your productivity with Monday.com? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up an automated workflow on Monday.com, so your tasks practically manage themselves. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use automations that keep your board beautifully organized and let you focus on what matters most, without constantly micromanaging your tasks. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the magic of automating your workflow on Monday.com. Automations are the secret sauce behind a truly efficient workspace. Instead of moving items manually, updating statuses, and reminding teammates over and over, automations handle those repetitive actions for you, triggered by specific events, almost like having a digital assistant. That means less busy work and fewer errors, especially as things get busier. To start setting this up, go to the Automations Center. On your Monday.com board, look up to the top right corner, and you'll notice a button labeled Automate. Click on that and you'll be taken to a whole hub of automation options. This is where the fun begins. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first. Monday.com provides lots of pre-made recipes, so you don't need to be a programmer to get this working for your team. Now, let's put your most common workflow steps on autopilot. One of the most useful automation recipes is, when status changes to something, move item to group. This one's a real game changer. For instance, imagine you've got a task sitting in the to-do group, and you assign it to a teammate. You can set up an automation so that when person is assigned, move item to group in progress. That means as soon as the task gets picked up, it visually moves to the next stage. Everyone can see what's in progress. No more guessing or constant check-ins. Similarly, say a project is finished. You can create an automation that says, when status changes to done, move item to completed group. Now, finished tasks are instantly cleared from your active workspace and filed away with the completed ones. It's a small touch, but it keeps your board tidy and helps everyone focus on current priorities. Imagine it like sorting your mail. You want the bills paid and filed away, not piling up on your desk. If you want to go a step further in keeping your team informed, you can add notifications as part of your workflow automations. This is optional, but incredibly handy, especially if tasks often get bounced between folks. For example, you might want an automatic alert sent out when it's someone's turn to handle a step. That way, nobody misses a beat, and you don't have to chase down progress. Just head into the automation settings and add a notification to a key moment, like when an item moves to in progress. That person gets a ping and knows it's time to jump in. Take your time setting these up. Sometimes it's good to test an automation with a sample task first, just to make sure it behaves as you expect. If it doesn't work perfectly, the first go, no stress. You can adjust the recipe or tweak the trigger conditions until it fits your workflow just right. And there you have it, a smarter, faster, and more organized way to manage your projects with Monday.com automations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or want to share your custom automations, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're putting this to use. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.